This is the Electe review. Today, most business plan apps are solving the wrong problem. The core argument is this: a business plan is not valuable because it looks polished. It is valuable because it forces you to think rigorously about market, margins, costs, timelines, and risks. The most common mistake founders make is confusing the template with the strategy. Guided tools let you fill in fields, choose a clean layout, export a PDF, and feel done. But if the assumptions are weak, the plan is weak. Full stop. The data backs this up. Founders who write a formal business plan are up to 260% more likely to succeed than those who don't. The point is not the document, it is the planning process behind it. So what actually separates the 10 tools reviewed? Two categories emerge. The first generates documents. The second makes you think, or forces your numbers to be grounded in real data. Tools like LivePlan and Upmetrics are strong at structure and speed. Strategyzer and IdeaBuddy push you to validate assumptions before you ever touch a spreadsheet. CloudFinance and Zucchetti address the specific documentation requirements of Italian banks and grant programs. Directio ties the plan directly to management control and regulatory crisis alerts. Silicon Plan adds a consultant marketplace on top of a guided workflow. Excel and Google Sheets remain, in many cases, the most rigorous option. Not the most convenient, but the most honest. A spreadsheet forces you to see exactly how the numbers work. You cannot hide behind a template. The correct sequence, regardless of tool, is consistent. Clarify the model first, build numbers bottom-up from real drivers, tailor the format to the actual audience, bank, investor, grant program, or internal management, and then link the plan to actual results after launch. A business plan that gets shelved the day after the PDF is exported is not a planning tool. It is a document. The difference matters, especially when someone asks you, where do these assumptions come from? That is the question no app answers for you. That's the review.